Hey.
What in the heck was that? Are you gonna get it together? Okay.
Okay, and I forgot to tell you, I'm Tammy, and this is all about living. And what?
Say hi.
And hi again. I'm Tammy, and this is all about living. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living.
Stop that. Can you talk about it?
Yeah.
Say something.
Oh.
Just stand there and cut.
Well, I didn't know it was on. I thought you turned it off.
No, I didn't turn it. Why would I turn it off when you're cutting banana peels and putting them on the tray? You got to tell them what you're doing and why.
Okay. What I'm doing.
Hold on, let me start over.
Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're gonna make Confederate beans soup. Let's start over. I don't know, you got a story.
Got to have a story.
You got a story.
I've been hunting and hunting a way to make me some bread on top of the stove because I don't have an oven.
No.
Oh, I wasn't recording anyway. Rehearsal. All right, now go for it.
Okay. Is it on now?
Yeah.
And you guys, you can.
Up top.
All right. Today we are gonna have. Never mind. Start over.
Blooper! Smile!
I'm smiling.
Smile more. Is your face hurt yet?
No. Now I forgot.
Just talk.
Hey everybody, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to have what's called a try
What?
again.
What's it called?
It's a New England boiled dinner is what it's called.
Oh, okay. Think you can get it this time?
Yeah.
You want to try to say it one more time?
New England boiled dinner. It does.
Where are we going?
Wherever.
You know the funniest, I keep looking at you. Why do I look at you? Why am I looking at her? You know the funniest thing I saw today was Buster, a rooster, trying to chase down a hen. And she outran him. Now that was hilarious. Okay. Sure, it looks okay. What should I say?
Whatever it was you said a while ago.
Huh? No.
Poor man, I resemble that remark.
I resemble that remark. You're in for a really big show. I want to welcome everybody here tonight. Now I say I'm looking at you, and I
Yeah.
should be looking at the camera.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Welcome to Tammy's Kitchen. Shut it off, restart it. Hit the button. Welcome to Tammy's Kitchen, deep in the woods of North Florida. Tonight, you're in for a really big show.
It's been a while, but
But what?
turn it off.
Why? You afraid you might say something you don't want nobody to hear? Huh? You batting your eyes at me? Are you fired up?
Alright.
Really? Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Now do it. You got it?
No! I don't know why, but it's not wanting to tie. My apron is not cooperating. There it goes. Ah.
What do you mean?
Well, it's either real Tammy or... Stop and start. If you watched our channel any at all, you know my cooking is fairly southern, or is southern, but then... Hey y'all, I hope y'all had a great day. Hey y'all, I hope y'all had a great day. I'm Tammy at All About Living.
Alright guys, we made this Tex-Mex seasoning. It is viewer tried and approved. I'll leave a link at the end of the... Do that again. Do it again.
Okay.
Ready? Rock and roll.
Hi, I'm Tammy at All About Living. What else do you want me to say?
Welcome to my kitchen. Well,
Is it on?
yeah, I'm trying to record something.
Turn it off.
I mean, we're just talking
Turn it
about
off.
ranch dressing. Go,
Why?
huh? Well, 'cause you can't think of what to say. Go,
Alright. Okay.
Do you
Come
know what
on.
to say, or you know what you're gonna do?
Yes.
What?
I do now.
You do?
Yes.
Go, do Buddha. Meditate.
Simple.
No, it don't work. It
Easy.
don't work like that.